There are a lot of changes that happens to our body as we get older. One of that change is decline in growth hormone or HGH. Here are the 5 signs of low growth hormone in adults. Number 1, body composition. Low growth hormone can lead to increased body fat, especially around the waist, decrease in muscle strength, and increase in body fat percentage. Number 2, cardiovascular health and metabolism. Low growth hormone can lead to decline in overall cardiovascular health and slows down your metabolism. Number 3, bone health. Low growth hormone can lead to decline in bone mineral density, eventually leading to osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. Number 4, mood changes. Low growth hormone gives you the symptoms of anxiety, gives you the symptoms of depression, feeling tired, low energy throughout the day, and just feeling overall low all day long. And number 5, brain health. Low growth hormone can lead to decline in overall brain health. You may start seeing short-term memory loss, slow reaction time, and lack of concentration. So it is very important to optimize your growth hormone if you are suffering from following symptoms.